Okay, so if your faucet doesn't seem to be working, it's possible that it is simply in sleep mode. So to get your faucet out of sleep mode, all you're going to do is locate the settings button and press down with it with an object, whether that be a pen or pencil, just nothing too sharp because you don't want to damage the setting button. Here's a look. To put the faucet back into sleep mode, all you're going to do is locate the same settings button, and with your object, you're going to hold down the button until you see 5 red flashes in the sensor. Here's a look. The sensor will flash 3 times rapidly to confirm that it has entered rest mode.
If you run into the issue of water continuously flowing from your faucet, there's a high probability that your faucet is stuck in the continuous flow mode. The simple way to fix this is by clicking the little settings button right here one time. So I'm going to put it into continuous flow mode to show you how to do it and then how to take you out of it. So it's one click to get it into continuous flow mode, and to get out of it, you click it once as well, and the problem is solved.
If you are certain that the faucet is on, however, when you put your hand at the sensor, there's no red flash, also there's no audible click, it is likely that there is an issue with the power supply, whether that be the batteries need replacement or the power supply is unplugged.